We all try to stay healthy. Eat well, exercise, sleep enough. But what if I told you that some completely normal, everyday habits might be secretly harming your health? Today, we're uncovering 7 everyday things that could be damaging your body and how to fix them before they take a toll. 1. Sitting for too long. Even if you hit the gym, sitting for hours at work or on the couch slows your metabolism, tightens your muscles, and increases the risk of heart disease. Fix. Stand up every 30 to 45 minutes. Take short walks or use a standing desk. 2. Not changing your pillow often. Old pillows can collect dust mites, bacteria, and even mold, which can trigger allergies, headaches, and breathing issues. Fix. Wash pillow covers weekly and replace pillows every 1 to 2 years. 3. Drinking from plastic bottles daily. Some plastic bottles contain BPA or microplastics that may affect hormones and increase inflammation. 4. Skipping breakfast too often. Intermittent fasting works for some, but consistently skipping breakfast can cause low energy, poor focus, and overeating later in the day, especially if your diet isn't balanced. Fix. If you don't want a full meal, try a smoothie or a handful of nuts and fruit in the morning. 5. Overusing headphones at high volume. Listening to music or podcasts too loudly can cause permanent hearing damage, and you might not notice until it's too late. Fix. Follow the 60-60 rule. Listen at 60% volume for no more than 60 minutes at a time. 6. Using too much hand sanitizer. It's great for killing germs, but overuse can strip away natural skin oils and beneficial bacteria your skin needs. Fix. Use it when necessary, but wash hands with soap and water most of the time. 7. Not getting enough natural light. Spending all day indoors under artificial lighting can mess with your sleep cycle, mood, and vitamin D levels. Fix. Step outside for at least 15 to 20 minutes every day. Which one of these surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments. And if this video gave you an aha moment, hit like and subscribe for more health tips you can actually use. Remember, staying healthy isn't just about what you do right. It's also about avoiding the little mistakes that slowly chip away at your health. Make these small changes and your body will thank you.